Welcome to today's maths lesson. Let's get rocking and rolling by calling out numbers, by playing Say What You See. Look at the number and say the number. Say what you see, say what you see. If you see it, say it. Stop, ready, point. Let's go. I'm not going to say them with you this time. I want you to say them by yourself. Now there'll be some numbers in here from 1 to 10 and then numbers from 11 to 20. But do not worry if you do not know the numbers. It's not that you don't know them. It's that you don't know them yet. And if you listen, it'll help you be on your way. Let's go for it. 3, 2, 1, go. Good pointing. Super work. Remember, say the numbers nice and clearly. Give yourself a big clap. Let's say the numbers together. Are you ready? My turn, your turn. 7. 7. Ooh. 5. 5. 9. 9. 1. 1. 4. 4. 3. 3. 2. 2. 11. 11. 8. 8. 10. 10. 6. 6. 12. 12. 20. 20. 13. 13. 16. 16. 18. 18. 17. 17. 15. 15. 19. 19. 14. 14. Back to 7. 7. Give yourself a round of applause. Let's do some quick subitizing. See the amount and say the number. Let's see how quick you can count in your head and say the number. The first one. 3. 1, 2, 3. Super duper. Let me write the number on there. 3. Show that one to you again. 3. The next one. See the amount. Say the number. 1. Next one. See the amount. Say the number. Subitize. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Are you ready? See the amount. Say the number. 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 2. Let's do another one. See the amount. Say the number. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Let's do the next one. Let me see. It's all right. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. A quick way to help you recognize an amount like that. If I cover that one over, what's that? 6, okay? So you can see them in groups. 6. Count on. 6, 7. 6, 7. So there's 7 all together. Super duper. Next one, let's have a look. Subistise quickly. 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, to help you recognise and subitise an amount this big, you can look and I can see there's a pattern of 5. And there is a pattern of 5. And I know that 5 add 5 is 10. Like this. 5 add 5 is 10. 5 add 5 is 10. Let's count just to check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let me write the number 10 on there. 10. Okay, so look for patterns. Look for patterns. Subitise. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I can see there's a group of 4. And there's another group of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If I'm going to subitise them all together, I know that 4 add 4 equals 8. 8. Last one. Are you ready? Subitise. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that's what 6 would look like on a dice. Well done. For the next part of today's maths, you will need to draw yourself one of these. Can you remember what it's called? It's called a part-whole model. And you will need some objects to count. I've got some pasta shapes here. We sent you home with some pasta shapes. Maybe you've still got them. And if you've got your number cards that we sent you home, they were blue around the edge, you can grab those too. Or you can cut some paper and make your own. Pause the video and gather what you need. Okay, let's recap what we know. This is a part-whole model. This is the whole. That's where the number is, the amount all together. The whole. What is that? The whole. Part, part. Can you say that? Part, part. I want you to do this. Let me do it first, my turn. Whole, part, part. Can you do that? Again, my turn. Whole, part, part. Can you do that? Okay, let's see. Put your hands on the parts. Well done. Put your hand on one part. You might choose that one. Put your hand on the whole. Put your hand on the whole. Put your hand on the parts. Yay! Give yourself a clap. Okay, I'm going to put a number into the whole. I'm going to put a number into the whole. What is my whole? 4. What is my whole? 4. How many pasta shells am I going to count on? I'm going to count 4 pasta shells onto my whole. Why am I going to count 4? Because that's the number that's in the whole. Let me see. 1, 2, 3. I think I've got enough pasta shells. Do I have enough? Give me a thumbs up. Oh, whoopsie. Give me a thumbs up if you think I'm right, or a thumbs down, Mr. Mac. Am I right or am I wrong? I'm wrong. I'm trying to trick you. So the whole is 4. How many pasta shells do I have? 3. So if I've got 3, how many more do I need? I need 1 more. 3 add 1 more equals 4. And 4 is our whole. 1, 2, 3, 4. Can you say that? 1, 2, 3, 4. Can you do that on your part-whole model? Put your number 4 number card in and count 4 objects. Pause the video and do that for me, please. Okay, I'm going to move the whole into the parts. Let me see. I'm going to move the whole. I'm going to do that. There we go. How many's in this part? 3. How many's in that part? 0. Oh, there's something I've forgotten to do. Well, here we go. When you've got items in your whole and you're going to split them into parts, you must remember to use all of them. I'm going to pop that one down in that part. Part, whole. Can you copy mine? Can you put 3 into one part and put 1 into the other? Pause the video and give that a go. Okay, how many is in this part? 3. How many is in that part? 1. 3 add 1 equals 4. Again, say it with me. 3 add 1 equals 4. Your turn. Can you practice that on your part whole model? 3 add 1 equals 4. Pause the video and practice that in your part whole model. Okay, I'm going to change it now. What would that one be? What would that one be? How many's in this part? How many's in that part? Are they still the same as the whole? Is it still the same or is it different? What do you think? Is it the same or is it different? Are these two parts equal to that number? Yes or no? Yes, they are, because I've not added any more pasta and I've not taken any away. Because if I take this one away, we've got 2 in this part and 1 in that part. How many are there all together? You can subitize. 3. 1, 2, 3, which means the whole would have to change to be 3. Now it's 3. But we had 4. So let me pop that one back in again. How many's in this part? 2. How many's in that part? 2. 2 add 2 equals 4. Can you say that? 2 add 2 equals 4. Can you pop 2 into one part, 2 into the other, and practice that for me? 2 add 2 equals 4. Go for it. Pause the video and give that a go. Welcome back. Okay. What is the whole? What is the whole? What's that number? 6. What is that number? 6. What is that number? 6. Which means these two parts need to be equal to 6. This is what I want you to do for me. Put your number 6 in the whole. How many is in this part? 3. Count 3 into your first part. How many is in this part? 2. Count 2 into your other part. Pause the video and copy this for me and tell me, am I right or am I wrong? Is Mr. Mike right or is he wrong? I'm not going to change the whole. That has to be 6, which means I'm telling you that this part and this part is equal to and is the same as the whole, the number 6. 3 and 2. Can you copy that for me? Count them all together and tell me if I'm right or if I'm wrong. Pause the video and have an investigation. Okay, I hope you paused that video. Let's check to see if I'm right or if I'm wrong. So the whole is 6. How many's in this part? 3. Let's check. 1, 2, 3. How many's in that part? 2. Good subitizing. 1, 2. So now I need to count them all together to see if they are the same as this whole. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5? Hold on a second. That's 5. This would be right if we were looking for a whole of 5, but we're looking for a whole that is equal to the number 6. Oh no, I'm wrong. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I need to add some more pasta into this side. Can you at home solve this for me? So I've got 3 on this in this part and 2 in this part. How many more do I need to put into this part to make it the same as 6? Pause the video and have a go. Okay, hopefully you paused the video. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I can use my fingers to help me if I want to. So I need to get to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6. I need it to put One more in there. Let's check. Put that one more in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yay! Or what I could do is count on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many's in this part? 3. How many's in that part? 3. 3 add 3 equals 6. Yay! Okay. Let's see how quick you can do this. What's the whole? 5. What's the whole? 5. Can you put the number 5 in your hole, please? And then put 3 on one side and 3 in the other. But you should already have them on there from the last question. So before, we had 6. That was our hole. Okay? I've changed it and put the number 5 in there. What do we need to do to make this the same as the whole? What do we need to do? Pause the video and investigate. Okay, hopefully you paused that video. So before, I had the number 6 in there, and 3 add 3 is the same as and is equal to the number 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And what I did was, I was a tricky trickster, I changed it to the number 5. And I said to you, what do you need to do to make this equal to the number 5? So we've got 3 already there, so I'm going to leave those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I've got 1 too many. Let's take it away. Let's check it now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's equal to the number 5. Yay! Hopefully you got that too. Now, as long as I don't add any more shells or take any away, it's going to be equal to the number 5. So I can experiment with moving it to either side, which is telling me now that 2 add 3 equals 5. I maybe might move them all over. Number's that? 0 add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 0 add 5 equals 5. Super duper. Now what I would like you to do today is use the number 5. Oh, let me see. So you can choose between these 3 numbers. Choose the number 4, choose the number 5, or choose the number 6. And I want you to investigate all the different ways that you can mix the parts up to make those numbers. And what I really want you to practice is your addition language. Okay, and this is your addition language. 3 add 2 equals 5. 4 add 1 equals 5. 5 add 0 equals 5. And then you can start all over again. But remember, put your number in there, count it, count your whole 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then move them into the parts. You can have 5, 6, or if you want to, move down to the number 4. I know some of you might think, wow, these numbers are too small, but you really need to make sure that you understand the 2 parts and that you can investigate all the different ways of moving the parts to make that number.